All right, so this is Trig 5, number 15, and it says, given an acute angle of a right triangle, so an acute angle of a right triangle, if the tangent is equal to 3, what is the sine? Well, I know that the tangent of some angle is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. And instead of writing this as 3, I could write it as 3 over 1, which means I know my opposite side has to be equal to 3, and my adjacent side has to be 1. So this is my opposite side. This is my adjacent side. So now I know that that has to be 3 and that has to be 1. But they're asking me to find the sine. And I know the sine is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. But I don't know this hypotenuse. But I know 2 of the 3 sides of a right triangle. So I can always use the Pythagorean theorem. 1 squared plus 3 squared equals c squared. 1 plus 9 equals c squared. 10 equals c squared. C will equal plus or minus the square root of 10. But of course, the length of something cannot be negative. So I know that this is the square root of 10. Therefore, the sine of the angle would be the opposite over the hypotenuse. But of course, I'm not going to leave a radical in the denominator. So I'm going to rationalize this by multiplying by the square root of 10 over the square root of 10. And now I know that the sine is going to be 3 square root of 10 over 10.